Okay. Now pose like this. Anything? Okay. Ready? 1, 2, 3.
Position. The only one Sajam. High school solution law. At the ninth position, Vishnu Gaurav from Nepali Nongthamai highest. And the last is Nivedita Day from St. Anthony Moscow High Secondary Section, Chura, West Garangal District. Second position, Amos Chinmilan from St. Anthony's High Secondary School, Shillong. Third position, Vishal Rice High Secondary School, Shillong. And also fifth position, Congenial Kharisona from St. Edmunds High Secondary School, Shillong. Position, one Pabotlang Snyder from St. Anthony's High Secondary School, Shillong. Seventh position, Siddhi Day from St. Anthony's High Secondary School, Shillong. Eighth position,
Hello everyone, my name is Amos Chinminluan from St. Anthony's Higher Secondary School. I've secured the second position in the science stream with a percentage of 94. Talking about my journey, my journey has been filled with a lot of challenges as well. Science stream being a very difficult stream, I had my initial struggles, but thanks to God, my teachers and my parents who always believed in me, and so because of them I never gave up, and because of which I've been able to achieve this stage today. And an advice to my juniors would be to work hard consistently. I know it sounds boring, but then I believe that it's the boring advice that takes you far in life. So work hard consistently, know yourself well, have ambitions, and work your best. Give it your all to achieve them. And regarding the program hosted by the Chief Minister, I believe it's a wonderful initiative taken by him, which motivates and inspires the upcoming students as well to work harder. And that's all. Thank you.
A very good morning, everyone. My name is Haikiru Chalam, and I am from No Liberty Higher Secondary School, Jowai, and I secured the 8th position in the HSSLC examination this year. So it is deeply an honor to be felicitated by our respectable Honorable Chief Minister, and this kind of program, it will create a kind of motivation for all the juniors to keep on working hard for their dreams. And yes, and it is quite necessary to organize this kind of program. Though it is a small program, but then it is deeply an inspired one. And the only message that I want to share is that to be successful in life, you don't need just intelligence and but then you need consistency, hard work, and dedication that you put into your work. So whatever struggles you may find in your journey, but I hope that you keep being patient and trust the process and believe in God. Thank you.
Good morning, my name is Mikhashi Roy. I'm from St. Mary's Higher Secondary School. I am from art stream and I got first rank. So my journey would be a description of sacrifices, because I feel like sacrifice are one thing which gives people achievement. If you're ready to sacrifice, you are ready to do anything in your life, you are ready for anything. And for me, I would say that my journey would include sacrifices and discipline. You need to stay consistent with your studies. You need to work hard for what you need to achieve. And I feel like today's felicitation reflected our Chief Minister's hope and aspirations for the youth, his efforts for the youth, and the way he's trying to improve the education system in Meghalaya. And for the youth, I would advise all of you to actually work hard and do not give up, even if it's in the last moment. Please try hard and stay consistent, and I assure you, you will get a good result. Please make sure to make sacrifices. You don't need a 10-hour leisure time, 10-hour doom scrolling on social media, but what you need is 2 hours of persistent studies every day, and that will help you ensure that you get a good result. Thank you.
Good morning, everyone. I am Aimi Azuraji Moment,
and I have secured the 10th position in the HSSLC examinations from the science stream. I'm from Don Bosco College, Higher Secondary Section 2. Today it is of immense pride and joy for us to be invited at the residence of our Honorable Chief Minister, Sir Conrad K. Sangma. And I feel I'm overwhelmed with joy because coming here it is of great pleasure and pride. And if I say about my preparations in the examinations, well, it is not any routines I have made, but it is just the consistency and the discipline that we have carried on. I usually studied during my classes when there is tuitions and all, just 2 to 3 hours a day. But during the last month of the examination, that is in the month of January and February, I hardly pulled it to 10 to 12 hours. So here in this residence of our Honorable Chief Minister, inviting us, it is of great pleasure, as I said, and I hope that this would be an inspiration for other students to strive more, to work hard and to believe in themselves. If you can dream, then why you cannot believe? If you can believe, you can achieve it. So just believe in yourself, do well, and above all, pray to Almighty God, because without Him, nothing is possible. So just believe in yourself, just have faith in yourself, and you can do it. Thank you.
Hello everyone, my name is Rishika Devnath and I am the third rank holder in the commerce stream and I secured 90.4% and I got the highest in entrepreneurship 97 and IP 96. So I have been an above average student always, and when I joined class 11, from that point of time I have always been a front bencher, and me being a front bencher played an important role in me being a topper, I should say. I have always been a critical pupil and I asked questions every time whenever I had any doubts, and I always cleared my doubts in class. So because of that, I did not really have to study much because I was really consistent. I understood the basics, and I'm feeling truly blessed to have this opportunity to come here and get felicitated by the Chief Minister of Meghalaya. And I should say that the greatest gift you can give yourself is the belief that you can succeed. Once you believe that you can do it, then believe me, God will help you in any way possible to make your dream come true. And I should thank my parents. They were always there for me. They supported me always. My sister and all my teachers and all, they always stood by me and supported me. And thank you so much.
The journey becomes difficult, even when the journey becomes unbearable and impossible to go on. You need to know that persistence and keeping consistency within yourself is the key for achieving good results. At the same time, I firmly believe that while our efforts are important, God's plan will guide us towards where we are meant to be. To my fellow students, I would like to say that success does not come overnight. Stay focused, remain determined, work consistently, and never stop believing in yourself. Give your best every day, trust the process, and make sure that you have faith in your hard work, because you will bear the fruit at the right time. Plus, this is not the start of the journey. This is just the first step which you need to take. You have been courageous enough to be here, and now you have to work harder to move forward and achieve great things. I hope you all do great from here onwards. Thank you, and I wish everyone the very best for the future.